How to be happy every day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for listening. Today, we will talk about something that everyone wants in life: happiness. Yes, we are going to talk about how to be happy every day. Everyone wants to be happy. We all want to smile, to feel peace, and to enjoy our life. But sometimes we forget how simple happiness can be. Many people think they need a lot of money, a big house, or a perfect life to be happy. But that is not true. Happiness is not about things. It is about how we think and how we live every day. You don't need to wait for something big to happen to be happy. You can start feeling happy right now, today. Happiness is inside you. It grows when you do small things with love, when you are kind, and when you see the good in life. So, let's talk about simple ways to be happy every day. The first way to be happy is to be thankful. Every morning, when you wake up, think of 3 things you are thankful for. It can be very simple. Maybe your family, your health, your friends, or even the sunshine. When you think about good things, your heart feels warm. Gratitude makes you see that your life is already full of blessings. The second way is to smile more often. Smiling makes you feel good. Even when you don't feel happy, try smiling. Your brain will start to feel better. When you smile at others, they smile back and the happiness grows. A smile is free, but it can change your whole day. Another way to be happy is to do something kind for someone else. When you help others, you also help yourself. Maybe you help a friend, share your lunch, or listen to someone who feels sad. Kindness brings peace to your heart. It reminds you that you can make the world better, even in small ways. You can also be happier when you spend time with people you love. Call your family, talk to your friends, or meet someone for coffee. Human connection is very important. When you share time and laughter with people you care about, your happiness grows. Another thing that helps is to take care of yourself. Happiness starts with you. Eat good food, drink water, and get enough rest. Try to move your body, walk, stretch, dance, or do any activity you enjoy. A healthy body helps your mind feel strong and positive. Don't forget to do things you love. Maybe you like reading, cooking, painting, or listening to music. Make time for those things. Even 10 minutes of doing something you enjoy can make your day brighter. Life is not only about work or study. It's also about feeling joy. You can also feel happier when you spend time outside. Go for a walk, look at the sky, breathe fresh air, or watch the trees. Nature makes your heart calm. When you are in nature, you feel that the world is big and beautiful. Sometimes we think too much about the past or the future, but happiness lives in the present moment. Try to enjoy what is happening right now. When you eat, enjoy the taste. When you talk to someone, really listen. When you walk, feel the ground under your feet. These small moments make life special. Another secret to happiness is to let go of negative thoughts. We all have problems, but thinking about them again and again makes us sad. Try to focus on what you can do, not what you cannot do. If you make a mistake, forgive yourself. If someone hurts you, try to forgive them too. Forgiveness brings peace to your heart. You can also be happy by celebrating small things. Don't wait for big success. Celebrate small wins. Maybe you finished your homework, cleaned your room, or learned something new. Say to yourself, "Good job." You deserve to feel proud of small steps. Another way to stay happy is to surround yourself with positive people. Some people give you energy and some people take your energy away. Spend more time with those who make you smile, who believe in you, and who make you feel good. Positive people help you see the bright side of life. If you want to be happy, also try to think positive. Your thoughts create your world. When you say to yourself, "I can do it," "Today will be a good day," or "I am enough," your mind becomes strong. Positive thinking doesn't mean life is perfect. It means you choose to see the good even when things are hard. You can also write a happiness journal. Every day, write 1 or 2 things that made you smile. Maybe you saw a beautiful flower, heard a nice song, or someone said something kind to you. When you write it down, you remember it longer. And when you read your journal later, it reminds you that there are many good moments in life. Another tip: listen to music. Music can change your mood fast. When you listen to songs you love, your heart feels light. You can sing along or dance a little. Music is one of the easiest ways to bring joy into your day. Sometimes to be happy, you need to take a break. When you feel tired or stressed, stop for a while, rest. Breathe deeply. Close your eyes and relax. It's okay to rest. You don't need to be busy all the time. Happiness also comes from calm moments. You can also be happier by learning new things. When you learn something new, you feel proud. It could be learning a new word, cooking a new dish, or trying a new hobby. Learning keeps your mind active and happy. Another great habit is to talk kindly to yourself. Don't say bad things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail." Instead, say, "I am learning," "I am growing," or "I am doing my best." The way you talk to yourself changes how you feel. Happiness also comes when you accept yourself. You don't need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. You are unique, and that is beautiful. When you accept who you are, your looks, your voice, your mistakes, you will feel free. Sometimes life is not easy. Bad days will come. You will feel sad, angry, or tired. That's normal. Happiness doesn't mean you never feel bad. It means you know that bad moments will pass. You can still find something good, even in hard times. Maybe it's a lesson, maybe it's someone who helped you. There is always something to be thankful for. When you feel sad, talk to someone you trust. Sharing your feelings helps. You don't have to be strong all the time. Talking can bring light into dark days. If you want to be happy, try to help others. When you give, you receive joy. You can smile at someone, share food, or say something kind. Helping others reminds you that you have the power to make the world better. That gives deep happiness. Another thing, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's life is different. When you compare, you forget your own good things. Focus on your own path. You have your own timing, your own gifts, and your own story. To be happy, also try to spend less time on your phone. Sometimes we look at social media too much. We see other people's lives and think ours is not good enough. But social media is not real life. Put your phone down and look around. Enjoy real life, talk, laugh, go outside, and live. Finally, remember this: happiness is a choice. You can choose to look at the good side of things. You can choose to be kind, thankful, and positive. You can choose to smile even when life is not perfect. Every morning, tell yourself, "Today, I choose to be happy." Then do one small thing that makes you feel joy. Maybe drink your favorite tea, listen to a nice song, or hug someone you love. Happiness is not far away. It's already inside you. You just need to see it, feel it, and share it. So today, smile a little more, be kind to yourself, and do one good thing for someone else. These small things will make every day a little brighter. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. I hope you learned something that helps you live a happier life. You deserve happiness. You can find it in simple, everyday moments. Take a deep breath, smile, and remember, happiness begins with you. Have a beautiful and happy day. See you next time.